as you know, these digital logic families all are the sequential circuits. Okay, sorry, I beg your pardon. So these are the combinational circuits. So today we are plan to discuss the one part of the combinational circuit, that the 2:1 marks. Okay, so the multiplexer circuit. So before starting the multiplexer circuit, I will say you that first, your half adder circuit. I think all of you have completed your half adder circuit and full adder circuit. If not, then the students who are not able to perform your full adder circuit, you complete this, then you complete your half subtractor circuit. I think it is also done in the previous classes. And if the full half subtractor circuit is done, then you start your full subtractor circuit. Okay, so this is quite similar to the full adder circuit. What you have done in the full adder circuit, there the sum and the carry was there. Instead of the sum and carry, in full subtractor, you put your borrow and the difference in place of sum and carry, the difference and the borrow. Okay, so in this way you try to build your half full subtractor circuit. I think this is for your today's assignment. So try to build your full subtractor circuit once you build the half subtractor circuit. So as you have already built the half subtractor circuit, so you try to build the full subtractor circuit. Is that clear to everybody? If you do not complete as yet the full adder circuit, or half subtractor circuit, then you first try to do this. And once you do this, then you complete the full subtractor circuit. Okay. So now, if you complete, when you complete the full subtractor circuit, you will go for doing the multiplexer circuit. As you know, in the in your last coursework, in your last semester, you have a coursework on digital electronics and logic design, digital and analog electronics. That you know, that you see the multiplexer circuit and the demultiplexer circuit. Those are popularly known here as the Marx and Demark circuit. Okay, so today we are going to build the Marx circuit. We will start it one by one. Today we are going to build the Marx circuit. Okay, so am I clear to everybody? Everybody out there, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think I am. It is very much clear that what is to be done for you, what needs to be done for you, what are the assignments you have to perform. Okay. Can I make myself clear? Response from your side.
Yes, sir.
I okay, okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
Very good. So now today I'm going to show you the construction of the Mach circuit. As you know, the Mach circuit means for you will put a double line, or 2 to the power of a line of inputs, and you will have a outputs. Okay. So here, let us see, and there is a select input. On basis of the select input, on basis of the nature of the select input, the output will be selected. Okay, so here I'm going to show first. Okay, first I'm going to start my share my screen. Okay, my screen is shared. Is it visible to everybody?
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay, so let us start the multiplexer circuit. So it is a multiplexer circuit. Okay. The multiplexer circuit, there is a selectors, because the selectors has got a deterministic role in completing, or in building the multiplexer circuit. And of course in demultiplexer circuit also the selectors are there, the select inputs are there. So it is a behavioral VHDL multiplexer coding. Okay. So the combinational circuit example. So there are two inputs. here there are the two inputs A and B. Uh, can you see this? These are the two line A and B. These are the two input line, and this is the N line 2 into 1 mux. This is the N line 2 into 1 mux. What does it mean? This means that there are two input side and you have got a single output side Y. So A and B are the inputs and Y is the output. And there is a very significant part which is called here the select input. It is denoted by SEL like this. This is the select input. Okay. So it is termed here as the 2 into 1 mux, or somebody it can somebody can refer it as 2 is to 1 mux also. Okay, here it is called 2 into 1 mux. So the truth table here are the select input 0 and 1, and on basis of the 0 and 1 the output is there A and B. So if the select input is 0, so there is only a single combination. So 0 and 1, so 2 to the power 1 here as the select input is 1, so 2 to the power 1. So 1, 0 and 1 are the two types of select inputs. So 0 and 1 can be the select input of the 2 is to 1 mux or 2 into 1 mux. And on basis of the nature of the select input, you will have the output. Either you will have output A or you will have output B, or you will have a input A as output, or you will have a input B as the output of this multiplexer. This is the simple theory of a mux, isn't it? Students, are you
Yes, sir.
listening? Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So this is a simple introduction of the VHDL code in building the 2 is to 1 mux. Okay. So this is the library function. As you know, these are the very fundamental things. You have done experiments in VHDL language. So library IEEE, then use IEEE.standard.h, this and this. Then entity. Here the entity is so the name of the mux is here. Suppose we are considering the name of the mux is mux2G. You can use any other name as the multiplexer, as your multiplexer. It is here called the 2G. As why it is 2G? For sake of the consideration of the meaning of the marks, as it is 2, 2 is to 1, so that is called here 2G. It can be anything. Okay, so the entity name is 2G is the generic with positive. So within bracket, this generic statement is here because of the bus in nature. Okay, I will show this why this is written here. The generic means the bus. Bus means it is a bus of the inputs. So there is a bus of input 0 1, or there is a bus of input A and B correspondingly displayed over the output side. So there is a bus of stream of inputs. So that is why it is the generic with positive. The statements is written. Then the port, as you know, in the entity side, you have to mention the port within this port. So A is assigned as the input side. So in for the input lines of the stdio.h with 1 down to 0. So it is in increasing mode. And in B also in the input side stdio.h. Okay, is a standard logic vector with 1 down to 0. And similarly the select input in stdio.h, std logic. Uh, it is not stdio.h. In C we probably use this term. So these are basically A, B and SEL. These are basically the input side. The input side and the corresponding data type is mentioned here. Okay, and the output side, the Y is there in the entity part. The Y is the output. Again, the standard logic vector with 1 down to 0. Okay, then terminated by a semicolon and the end of the corresponding entity. The name of the entity is mux2G, so the end of the corresponding mux2G. Okay, so this is how we build the entity. Okay, then So here you look at this. What I said, this is actually depicted through this arrow. So A, this is the A, like this. The A, this is the A. This is the B. These are the B. Okay, the input sides. Then the select inputs. The select inputs are there as the selects. The Y is there as the Y of the output. So these are basically A, B, ACL, and Y are the corresponding input side, select input side, and the output side of the architecture of the, not the architecture, the entity, okay, of this marks. Then this is the clear code of this entity of 2G marks. So here library IEEE, here the each entity must begin with this library, use these statements. So that is why it is called the library IEEE. Okay, this is the statements. Then this is the port. As you all know that the port statement defines the inputs and the outputs. So the whenever you are going to initiate or initialize the input and the output of the corresponding digital circuit, okay, then you have to mention it through the port, within the port. So that is why it is written here. And this is the generic statements. These generic statements, দেখো এটা আমি তোমাদের আগেই বলেছি, I have said it. This generic statements is defines with the bus. It defines width of the bus. Okay, so these, as this channel of lines, this stream of lines are in a are sequentially done. So these are through a bus. So that is why the generic statements are written over here. Okay, then similarly the same thing is there. Okay,
So why
then
it's written positive after B?
why this is positive? A very good question. Why this is positive? So it is positive because it cannot be go to the negative side. Okay, it is either it is select input is 1. If select input is 2, select input can be 3 and 4, and so it is 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, and so it cannot go beyond 0. Okay, so that is why it is to the positive generic. Okay, and the bus size is generic. Bus size is positive. So here the entity, here the mode in or out, that is whatever the mode is, input mode or the output mode, in mode. Sometimes it is called or in mode or out mode or input mode or output mode, whatever you can say. The mode of the entity is in or out. So that is the mode. Okay, that is the mode. Then the data type, as you all know, the STD logic standard vector. This is the data type, normally mentioned in the select inputs or AB. Okay, then coming to the final architecture or underlying architecture of the 2G marks. Okay, or 2:1 marks. Okay, this is the architecture. Just look at this, the architecture. So within this architecture, the architecture name is very important. As you know, as you have done the previous experiment, so you know how to initiate the entity and how to initiate the architecture, corresponding architecture. So the architecture name is very important here. The architecture marks 2G underscore R. So look at this. This is the name of the architecture of the 2G marks. Okay, this is the name of the architecture of what, of the corresponding entity. The architecture should be built on the underlying entity. So this is the underlying entity. This is the underlying. So this architecture is built on the marks 2G. Okay, the entity. Then begin statements within the begin. So you have to, as you are going to build the architecture, as you are going to build the architecture, so the architecture name is important, the entity name is important to mention here. And similarly, you have to make a process. You have to begin or create a process. Okay, so this is the process. This is how we begin a process. Okay, the begin, then marks 2 underscore 1. Dakho, see, this marks 2 underscore 1 is the process, is the name of the process. Within this marks 2 is to 1, the process A, B, and select inputs are there. These are the A, B, and select inputs. The process begin. So the process name is what? Marks 2:1. The process starting with these inputs, okay, A, B, and ACL, then begin. Within this begin, there is a single loop is running behind within this. So if select input is 0, so if ACL is 0, ACL of what? ACL of this. So ACL comes from this within this process. So if ACL is 0, then Y is what? Y is A. So your output will be A. Else means what? If select input is 1, so that is just complement of 0. So else Y is B. So the output will be the B. And if and end process. So as you declare the process, begin the process, you have to finish this. So end if and then followed by the end the process. End the process name similarly. And then finally, once you complete the process, finish the process, then you terminate the entire architecture by end architecture name. Okay. And this is how you are going to make the architecture of the 2:1 marks. Okay. And finally, once you do this, you compile and finally you run this and you get the corresponding output of it. Okay. So similarly, দেখো এখানে বলা আছে, this is the note, this is the signal assignments, this is the signal assignments. Okay, this is the signal assignments, sorry, this is the signal assignment is noted by this blue line. Okay, this is the entity name. These are actually I have discussed this before. This is the entity name marks 2G. These are the signal assignments. Okay, this is the process sensitivity list. Process sensitivity list means what are the number, what are the elements are there to make the process sensitive. Okay, to actually to make the process sensitive means to make the entire process to run. So here the lists are A, B, and ACL. If there are other member are there, then A, B, C, and ACL or whatever. So these are the process sensitivity list. So you have to make the list clearly. Okay, then the sequential elements, if then else, like this. Here if then else, if else and else if, and if, finally, not begin and end with the process. You know, this is the begin and this is the end of the process. This is begin part and this is the end part, and this is the end and begin of the architecture. So these are, I have told this. So this is how it is going to run. Okay, and this is 4 to 1 line multiplexer. So I think it is you do this further. Okay, so for today's assignment you do up to this, and once you run this program, once you complete this building of this 2:1 multiplexer successfully, then you try to build another multiplexer here 4:1 marks, or I think in another higher version of the multiplexer. Okay, in the latter experiments. Okay, so this is for the today's assignment and this is for the today's job. Okay, so you try to finish this, try to do this, work on this, and try to finish this by today. And once you finish this, you send us through this corresponding Google form or Google Classroom, and so what Sopon sir has given you the link, and so, and your job will be finished for today. Okay, clear, students? Then I will move my direction from me to the Sopon sir. Okay, it is now over to Sopon sir. Sir, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it is, if you have anything to say, then you can, I think you can demonstrate how to run this program and so to our students. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, first I will stop my screenplay. Okay. Let me stop my screenplay first. Is it stopped?
Yes, sir. It is stopped.
Okay. Thank you. And you can start.
Hello. So as sir said that your job for today is you will develop the full subtractor circuit and a marks, basically 2:1 multiplexer. Okay, and you know the syntax. Sir also showed in the PPT. For full subtractor, what you can do, you have already done the half subtractor. You can use, or first you can build the truth table. Then from the truth table, using K-map, find the equation for difference and borrow for the two outputs. Then you can write the full subtractor code. Okay. So I am not showing the. Okay, any question? Can you do this? The full subtractor, I think you can easily do this. Next, sir already showed the multiplexer. Okay, so for multiplexer, just remember, sir already showed that if you compare the select line, then remember to encode with this inverted commas. Okay, so in this way you can complete today's job with these two VHDL program, and after completing, submit the screenshot in the classroom. You will find a link. Okay, and the final lab copy for the entire month. So for these 3 classes, you will submit the PDF consisting of the way you have submitted the exam, PCA 1 exam, but in this time, you no need to write by hand. You can submit the soft copies. Okay, you can copy the VHDL code. You can type the theory, some introduction about the experiment, and you can put the screenshot of waveform. So in this way, prepare the final lab copy for all these 3 classes and submit this in the classroom within 1 week. 1 week means before next class. Okay, so today's screenshot you will submit by today within 7 p.m. and the final lab copy you will submit by Sunday, upcoming Sunday. Any question? Anyone?
No, sir.
ঠিক আছে, তাহলে তোমরা ল্যাব শুরু করো। বিফোর দ্যাট জাস্ট লেট মি টেক ইউর অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সেস। রোল নাম্বার 61 আছো?
Present, sir. Present, sir.
রোল নাম্বার 62,
Yes, sir.
রোল নাম্বার 63,
Yes.
roll number 64,
Present, sir.
65,
Yes, sir.
66, Kusmita 66,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
67, follow me.
Yes, sir.
Agorde 68,
Yes, sir.
69, Sheta. 70, Aman Sharma. 71, Deepak Kumar. Deepak. 72 Sneha.
Yes, sir.
74.
Yes, sir.
75 Saurabh. Saurabh. 76. 77.
স্যার
Present,
স্মিতার
sir.
কোভিড হয়েছিল স্যার 76 এর তাই জন্য স্যার আগের দুটো ক্লাস করতে পারিনি।
আর কি কোভিড হয়েছে?
স্মিতার হয়েছিল কিন্তু এখন স্যার ওর এটা ঠিক মতো জানি না, মানে স্মিতার কোভিড হয়েছিল স্যার। যদি ঠিক হয়ে যায় তাহলে স্যার আমি আপনাকে জানিয়ে দেবো, মানে কথা বলতে বলবো আপনার সাথে।
হ্যাঁ, দেখো যদি কন্ট্যাক্ট করা যায়।
ওকে স্যার।
রোল নাম্বার 78 রাজনের তো প্রবলেম ছিল। অক্ষয় 79। অক্ষয় 80 সপ্তর্ষি 80 81
Present, sir.
নির্ময় আজকে ফার্স্ট ক্লাস করছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
আগের ক্লাসগুলো করোনি কেন?
স্যার একটু প্রবলেম ছিল, নেটওয়ার্কের প্রবলেম ছিল তার উপর।
অরিত্র আছে দেখলাম। জিৎ 83। জিৎ সর্দার 84। শুভজিৎ আছো 84?
Sir, roll number
হ্যাঁ বলো, কে বলছো?
So roll number 70 is present. Aman Sharma.
Sardar is also present.
জিৎ প্রেজেন্ট, আমন প্রেজেন্ট।
Yes, sir. Roll 70.
এইটটি ফোর শুভজিৎ। এইটটি ফাইভ
Present, sir.
86 রাকেশ রঞ্জন। রাকেশ 87 অভিনীত।
Present, sir.
লাবণী 88।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
89 অভিরূপ। শুভম 90। ঠিক আছে, তোমরা তাহলে স্টার্ট করো ল্যাব।
স্যার লিভ করব?
লিভ আর কিছুক্ষণ পরে 5টার দিকে করো না। Okay, if you want to leave, okay, you can leave, but do this program, 2 programs, okay, and submit by today, mainly basically within 7 p.m. in classroom.
ওকে স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
Okay, welcome.